Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining me. My name is Cassandra Reinhardt, and I am the creator of the Yin Yoga to Heal and Restore program. This 4-course program is designed to help you alleviate stress and tension while promoting flexibility and joint health. Yin Yoga is a practice where passive poses are held for extended periods of time, ranging anywhere from 1 to 6 minutes. The purpose of this practice is to target fascia, the deep connective tissue in our bodies, in a way that promotes lasting structural change. Yin Yoga is about learning to surrender, to stay calm, present, and centered. I've personally found Yin Yoga to be a profound and transformational practice, and all I want is to be able to share that with as many people as I can. I've designed this program in a way where the first 3 classes focus on specific body parts, starting from the top of the head and moving all the way down to the feet. We do this so that you get to spend extended periods of time focusing on key muscle groups so that you can discover where in your body you tend to hold tension. Our last class together is a full body Yin Yoga class where we integrate all that we've learned in the previous 3 sessions. I hope you choose to give yourself this gift and join me on this journey. For more information on me or the classes I teach, visit my website at www.yogawithcassandra.com. Thank you so much. Namaste.